my name is Tema and I am 13 years old and this is our project and this is our member.
Hello, my name is Damdi. I am 13 years old. I am from middle school, grade 8, from Konkan Vitayayon. I am the person who made the script for the presentation.
Hello, my name is Hin. I am 14 years old. I'm from Konkan Vitayayan School. I I give the idea for the slide.
Hello, my name is Tema and I am 13 years old. And I am from Konkan Resorion that is located at Konkan, Northeast Thailand. And I am a group leader.
Hello, my name is P. I'm from middle school Konkan Vitayayon and I'm 13 years old.
Hello, I'm Bhupa. I'm from middle school from Vitayan. I'm 13 years old.
Hello, I'm Mac. I'm 13 years old from a middle school in Khon Kaen called Khon Kaen Vitayayon.
Introduction. This is our project. We are going to talking about solar cooking. Solar cooking is a method of cooking that uses natural energy to make the food able to eat or use to keep the food stay longer.
What is solar cooking? Solar cooking is a method of cooking using the energy from the sun. Solar cookers use solar energy to heat and cook the food. How does a solar cooker work? It works by capturing and concentrating sunlight into it. It reflects light by a mirror. The cooking pot is typically black or dark colored to absorb more solar radiation.
Environmentally friendly. Solar cooking use renewable solar energy, reducing the need for fossil fuel. Lower carbon emission. Cons: weather dependent solar cooking relies on sunlight. Solar cooking is less effective on cloudy days, rainy season, or at night.
This is our credit. Dandy is scripting. Hin is original idea and help for slide. Tema is original idea and slide. P slide. Bhupa and iMac is speaking. Thank you for listening.